Did you know that some estimates put the affiliate marketing the industry as high as $6.8 billion a year in the US alone? Industry leaders like Clickbank pay out millions in commissions every year to their affiliates. As an affiliate, your job is easy. Just find people who want to buy a certain type of product. When those people buy, you get paid commission. It's that simple. Go to this private page right now to see exactly how simple it can be. You don't have to create your own products. You don't even need your own website. And for every product you sell, you can make as much as 75% in commissions. That's insanely high. Okay, so you might think that making an income from affiliate marketing is easy. Maybe you could become a millionaire within a month? Yeah, right. Anyone who promises you that is a shameless scammer. I know what it feels like to fail. I know how much it hurts. It's not your fault. To make consistent, daily income from affiliate marketing, you need the right tools. And you need the secret shortcuts. After 15 years of experience as a multiple six-figure affiliate marketer, this guy has created the tool that will easily shave years off your learning curve. What you're about to discover will shock you. Click the link in the description below to gain access now.